Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fan Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my homemade crab cakes, okay? And also I'm going to have some fried sweet potatoes, okay? Let me show you guys what I have for you here. I have my crab cake, my crab meats already cleaned up, okay? I have some onions and green pepper and lime juice and some garlic and parsley and basil, okay, and some celeries and jalapenos, tomatoes, and I have my breadcrumbs, guys. I have to make my own because I thought I have some crackers, but I didn't have no crackers, so I have to make my own. And this is the one that I'm going to use, guys, okay? And I have my mayonnaise and I have my sweet potatoes, guys. I had to put it the way I do it, guys. I put some water and salt, and as you can see, I have one lime because when you do that, guys, it gives it like good flavors. Okay, that's why I do that. Okay, and my eggs. What I'm going to do next, guys? Let me make my dressing for my egg. Crabs. Okay. I'm going to add some mayonnaise, okay, 2 teaspoons, and my Dijon mustard, okay, and also I'm going to use some lime juice, guys, 1 teaspoon, okay, and I'm adding my garlic, okay. Let me mix that. Okay, I think it's good enough. Okay, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add my onions, okay, my green pepper, okay, my tomatoes, okay, jalapenos, okay, parsley and basil, okay, some paprika, okay, and black pepper, guys, okay. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add some ginger powder, and some onion powder, guys. Whatever you have in your kitchen, guys, go for it, okay. And my special one. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my sauce, okay, and my bread crumbs, guys. Let me get something else because I don't want to break my crabs. You have to go slow. Okay, I'm adding a little bit of salt, not too much. Okay, guys, I'm going to mix that up, guys. When we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, this is how everything looks now. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me start making my patties. Okay, my hands already cleaned up, guys. Okay, just like that. Okay, just put that in. My pot already warming up enough. Okay, just do another one. Okay guys, whenever you're making your crab cakes, you can just use whatever you want to use guys. If you have crackers or bread, whatever you have, just go for it. Okay, just you can create your own stuff. Okay, just go for it. Okay, that's it. Just make another one. Okay, squeeze it down. Okay, and as you can see here, my sweet potatoes are cooking. Okay, let me put it down. Okay, that's it. All right guys, that's it. I'm going to, let me wash my hand real quick. Okay, when we come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now it's time for me to flip my crab cakes. Okay, you see that guys? Looks very nice. Okay. Okay, my sweet potatoes are already cooked. Okay guys, what I'm going to show you guys now. Okay, for my sauce, if you don't have your tartar sauce, you can just go ahead and make your own guys. Okay, and here I have mayonnaise and some parsley and some chili sauce. Okay, this is the one I'm using. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add some onion. Okay, not too much. Some lime juice. Okay, black pepper. Okay, a little bit of salt. Okay, and mix it up. Okay guys, that's it. All right, let me give it a taste. It's good. It's very good guys. Okay, when we come back guys, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay guys, everything is done. Now let me show you what I have for you. Here, my plate already fixed. And over here guys, this is my crab cakes, okay, with my sweet potatoes. Okay, and what I'm going to do next, I'm going to just add a little bit of parsley, okay, for my dressing. Okay, that's it. Just like that. Okay, that's it guys. Okay, see, that was very easy guys. Okay, if you like this recipe guys, don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button and give it a try. Okay, remember, have a wonderful day. Bye.